Okay.
Okay.
So we've opened up Illustrator, and I've just typed some basic font using a random font face, in this case Myriad Pro. And what you'll notice about this is I've told you before that all fonts are vector, right? Now this is how you unlock a font to see the lines and how they're actually created. You can click here on this and you can say create outlines.
Okay.
And this is what fonts really look like when you get down into the nitty-gritty of it. Is they have points that are connected together, and each point that you see on, for example, the E represents a curvature on the letter. So it's a whole science, and it's very complicated, and I don't know enough about it. Now, if I want to change things on it, all I have to do is go ahead and do what I did, which was to say show outlines. So I'll do it again just to, I can right-click on it, create outlines, and then in Illustrator, to manipulate these, I can go to the direct selection tool, which lets me select one of these dots, such as this one, and I can see the curvature.
Okay.
Now let's say I just want to get funky.
Oh, that's fun.
I can do all sorts of fun stuff with this.
Fun.
If I want my H over here to be leaning on over, saying hi, I can do that. And let's just say that because I am really wanting to make sure it leans properly, I'm going to add
You're
points.
adding points. Oh my god.
So I'm actually editing.
What did you do to add it?
I went to the pen tool, and I held down to open up its menu, and there's a tool called Add Anchor Point.
Okay.
So I added 2 anchor points to it, because when it bends, I don't want it to take the whole line with it.
Gotcha.
I go back to my Direct Select tool. You can use the Direct Select tool to select one point at a time, or you can drag to select multiple points at a time. And then it just kind of leans on over. I should have put another point over there, but you can get all kinds of abstract with this, let me tell you. So
if somebody is creating a whole alphabet,
yeah,
are they manipulating each letter in the alphabet to do that?
Each and every single one, absolutely. So what gets really crazy is, and that's not even close to the B from CBU, but that's okay. I can do the same thing. Basically, what CBU did is they went to a graphic design firm and they said, we want our own brand, our own logo, our own, and they said, well, let's throw out some design ideas and we'll get back to you. And when they wanted to do that, they said, you know what, let's take a cut out of the B. Why that was attracted to them, I don't know, but they said they wanted to do it. So what they probably did is they made another anchor point right there, switched back to their select tool, they brought it in a little bit, and then they took this handle, they moved it in to remove the curve, move this in to remove that curve, they probably brought it up a little bit more. You know what, they probably actually still had a curve, so we're going to come back and click on that. It's called the Convert Anchor Point tool. It's how, after you've created an anchor, you can add a curvature back to it. So it's a little curved. I'll bring that back.
Oh my goodness.
Bring that back.
Demystify art a little bit, huh?
That's what I live to do.
How fun.
So this is a very, very sloppy version of it.
Yeah, but I get the point.
So you can you can do some dangerous stuff when you know this. But oh yeah, that's horrible. But
That's so funny.
there you go.
Very good.